Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. I like to make smoothies and I love using my nutribullet to make them. This is a really compact blender, so if you don't have a lot of space, it's great for that. It's powerful too, so if you're doing more than smoothies, like blending up purees and things like that, salsas, it's great for that kind of thing. It crushes ice great as well, so you'd be surprised at how powerful it is. So we're gonna make a smoothie and I'm gonna show you how easy and fun it is to use. We're just going to keep it simple today. I'm just going to add a little bit of frozen berries and some low-calorie juice. Just want to make sure there's going to be lots of liquid to make sure that those frozen berries get pulverized. And then we pop the blade on and screw it on securely. As you can see, it's extremely simple to use. I'm just pushing down on the cup and it's activating the blade. And if you have ice or frozen fruit like I'm using, I recommend just pulsing by pushing up and down on the cup. And within seconds, I have a delicious smoothie. As you can see, it's nice and well blended. All of the fruit has been pulverized and it's nice and smooth. And it took hardly any time at all. And I like these great things. These cups are great because you can drink right out of them. Delicious. There is a max line here, so just to remember, just don't want to go over that line. This product is so handy. It is majorly multi-purpose, especially if you're making smoothies. It works great every time, and that's my point of view.